Hey guys, real quickly wanted to invite you to something very informational. I am going to be sharing with you guys live at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time with Dr. Marsha Dawson. We're going to be talking about when is a good time to sell your business or sell a company or sell a stock. So look down below for the information. I want you guys to click on that link and register because you will be getting the link to be able to talk with us, ask us questions and things of that sort. So it's a Zoom link that you would receive by email once you sign up. Not only that, I will be live here on this channel at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you want to be able to ask questions and, listen in, definitely there will be a link down below there as well so that you can be able to come into the Zoom live, ask the questions, see what's going on. But if you just want to see and hear what's going on, just make sure you're here live at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to talk about when is a good time to sell your company, your business, or your stock. I'll see you guys then.